Sorry about that. Oh, I don't want to upload 2 videos though. Whatever. I'd like upload 3 in a day. I don't really like doing that. I'm so hungry. I really want pizza. I love pizza. Okay, yeah. Sound effects. It would be cool to like have that in like everyday life. You'd be like even sleeping and hearing you know that sleeping sound in like cartoons. And then I don't know. That was stupid. That was like a stupid version. Oh my god, it's so hot out.
What about that snow where you whistle?
Yeah. I was thinking that too. I just thought of like Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. We're dark. You like can't see us that much. Oh, look, there I am. Woo! Here we are. Okay. And driving. How could you have
Or
to?
if you like did something really good, there'd be like woohoo!
Yeah, like clapping and like I don't even know, like you're at an award ceremony and that's like all you hear is like cheering, and then they're like and the crowd goes, why am I saying it so retarded? Crowd goes wild to see you like thanking everybody and there's like nobody there.
Or like that commercial, you put a bottle in the recycling.
I don't think I've seen that.
Oh.
But then again, I haven't been watching much TV.
It was from like a long time ago. You have to wait.
Oh, it's so hot out. After this, after that car, hopefully. I am so hungry. And right now it would be like, I don't even know what kind of tune would be playing right now. Something cheerful for being able to cross the road like almost right away. Just kidding. This looks nice. I've never seen that before. I only seen like G6s and G5s. Oh my god, my stomach is just so empty. I guess I should have got like a medium ice cap and like a bagel or something. But no, I had to go and be a thirsty mofo. I'm just kidding. That would be one of those cheerful walking mood tunes right there. It's like da 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 da. Hey. I don't know. Did you see Happy Tree Friends? Kind of like that. Seen your dad in there. Wanna stop? My arm's getting sore. Bye.
Bye.
I said stop. No. Okay, awkward. Okay, bye.